What's up, going goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. Today, you don't know, we're gonna make some ackee and saltfish seasoned rice Jamaican style. So here I have my saltfish. I'm frying up the saltfish first. I boil it 2 times to get rid of the salt. Now I'm gonna go in with some seasoning, my goodies, some peppers, green bell peppers, onion, and thyme. You can add hot pepper if you like. So I'm just gonna add some black pepper as well. So goodies, after that, you're just gonna spin it up and allow it to fry up for just about 2 more minutes. Then we're going in with our tin ackee. Goodies, the ackee that I'm using is already cooked since it's a tin ackee, but if you're using the other ackee, you wanna make sure that you cook it first, okay? So we're just gonna spin this up. We don't wanna mash up the ackee too much, so no, don't give it too much spinning, okay? Because I just like to have the ackee fry up for about a minute. Okay? So we're gonna lightly stir it. Not much. Don't need much stirring at this point. Okay? So we're gonna allow this now to cook up for about 2 or 3 minutes. Good. So now I'm going to add 2 Maggi cubes, some garlic. I love garlic, so you can put the amount of garlic that you want, but I'm using about half tablespoons of garlic. Okay, and we're also going to be adding some seasoning, powdered seasoning. So I'm adding some Cool Runnings chicken seasoning. You can use all purpose. Okay, beautiful. All right, goodies, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add our rice. Okay, and we're just gonna give this a spin up, you know, spin it up, spin it up little, just to get everything nice and mixed in. See me I said. All right, goodies, see there. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add some water to cook our rice. Beautiful. Yeah, man. So we're gonna cover this down now on low and allow the rice to steam. Okay, you can always taste your pot at this point and see if you want to add any salt, but remember the saltfish, it all depends on how much you boil out your saltfish, but I leave back a little bit of salt in there. And remember, we added the seasoning, so you can taste it now and see if you need to adjust any little thing, you know. But this is it. I'm going to cover it down now and leave it to steam. So stay for the final result. You want to see how beautiful it is, okay? Alright. Okay, goodies. So you see, it's almost finished. Look how beautiful that is looking. You see that? Beautiful. So what you want to do, you just want to get a little stir up. Not much, just a little. Just fluff, we call it, in Jamaica we call it fluffing the rice. Just and you want to use a fork, so don't use a spoon, okay? Use a fork and give it a little fluff and cover it back down, put it on low now and just leave it to cook a little bit more, okay? Alright. Okay, goodies, so this is the final result. Let me know what you think about the recipe. Awesome, delicious, looking beautiful. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Alright, until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you. Hope you enjoy.